Hello and welcome to another video tutorial of WordPress. Today we're gonna learn how can we create price list in our WordPress website. Let's get started. Click on add new plugin. Search for Elementor. Click on install now. Elementor installed. Click on activate. Elementor activated. Search for SaasPricing. Click on install now. SaasPricing also installed. Click on activate. It's activated. So we have installed Elementor and SaasPricing table. Click on add new page. Name it price list widget. Click on edit with Elementor. Search price list here. So okay, this is the different look of price list widget. We can see here there are list items. So click on one single item. So we can see here list title, list description, and also list price. So we can add more list here. Click on add item. We can also change currency symbol dollar to another one. Let's make it euro. So it's changed dollar to euro. Click on style tab. From style tab, we can add style for our price list widget. We can add background color. Let's click on background color. Okay, so right now I don't need that. Click on clear. We can also add gap between each list items. Like this is how we can increase gap between each list item. We can also add border. We can also customize the border or also make it none. So if you click on none, it will be hidden. If we click on solid, we can also edit the default border here. We can increase the border width by increasing border. We can add border color from here, make it blue, so it's blue now. We can add more border radius here, 30. We can also decrease the border. We can add box shadow for our price list. So right now I don't need that property. We can also add padding for our widget. We can add title style from here. Let's click on color, make it green. Make it 32 pixel. Okay, let's add width 400. Okay, 400 is not looks good. Make it 500. Okay, so we can add also spacing between title and description from here. So let's make it default what it was. We can add description color, make it blue. We can also add typography for okay for this one, make it 18 pixel. We can also add price color here, make it blue. Okay, let's make it also this one also blue. Blue. And description black. Okay, so it looks good now. So this is how you can add style for your price list. So let's take a look on pro version of price list widget. So hi, I have already installed SaasPricing Pro here. So if we search for price list, so we can see this is the pro version of price list widget. Let's drop it. So SaasPricing Pro by default offers uh, icons, individual icon style, icon size for each list. We can also see here, we can add discount price here. We can add period for discount. We can also change discount title here. We can change sale title, sale period. So another thing is this 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 total price is calculating from this item here. So if we add another item or duplicate another one, so it will be 50. We can see that here. So this this total element counting, um, counting, getting values from these items here. So if you remove something from this list item, it also decreasing. So total value is dynamic here. We can also add show button here. We can also hide that. In here we can add a style for our pro price list widget. We can add icon gaps. We can add icon vertical alignments, vertical positions, title, list title color, list title typography, also description color, description typography, price color typography. Here we can add style for divider. We can also add style and icon size for this discount section. We can also add style for this particular sales section here. We can also add style for our button. So let's enable it again. So we can add also our button background color, color typography, border radius, box shadow, padding, margin in pro version of price list widget. So another thing, so let's uh, import a demo here. So here we can see a price list demo. We can change the icons. We can also upload SVG instead of icon library. We can use that. We can upload SVG. So this is it. This is what you can do with the pro version of price list widget.